This is Patrick Devine for Ed Cawthorn's Data Structures class, and this is the week of November 11th. So this week we had to take the same gigantic text file that we had last week and split it into 5 different data files. One of them containing 1/5, the next 2, the next 3, the next 4/5, and the final file contains the entire list. So what I did here is I just used idle to find out the length of the list. I made a little script to put in commas after each of the 5-digit numbers, so I made an array, and then used idle to find out the elements in the array, which turned out to be 1 million and something. I wrote it down somewhere. So all I did was divide the list by 5, which came out to roughly 209,715 elements. So I split the list using a simple iteration and slice. And what I did after that is I made 3 variables for each of the sublists. So for L1, I set that equal to the first index, which is the first 1/5 of the file, and then it just goes on. So L2 is 2/5, L3 is 3/5, L4 is 4/5, and as you can see right here, L5 doesn't have any index. It's just printing the entire file to a file. And down here, I just used a simple creating file with open. So I'm not going to run this right now, and I don't have all the information up here where the array should be, because it simply took so much time, and when I scrolled up and down the page, my computer would freeze. I'd have to wait. So for the sake of saving time on the video, I'm just going to show you the code, which you see right here. This is just a smaller one. So I have this file somewhere else with the entire text file saved as the array. But as you can see here, I have all of my files. The first one with 1/5, the second one with the second, and vice versa. I mean, not vice versa, but 3/5, 4/5, and then as you can see here, the last file has the entire million and whatever elements in it. All right, so yeah, that was a pretty awesome assignment, and it definitely took me some thinking. The next part of it, boom, we have a bubble sort, which again, I'm not gonna put the entire array in, but as you can see, this will sort the array. And yeah, I'm gonna cut this video short. I lose my train of thought.